dude, sir, what year's your Harley?
It's all years. It's 07.
07? And what kind of bike is it?
It's a Sportster. It's a girl's bike.
A Sportster?
It's a girl's bike. I built it for my daughter because guys wouldn't ride anything like that.
Cool. What kind of numbers you think you're going to pull out of
If
it?
I do 50 horsepower, I'm going to be stoked. If it does 50, I'll be really happy.
Cool.
Chain has 1 mile on it. Watch all this. I just put that pipe on like an hour ago. Yeah. Did 90 horsepower, 80 torque.
What happened?
That's never been tuned, dude. I'll bet you $100 that does over 100 next week.
Next week?
Next week, 'cause
Over
I'm having
100?
it tuned on Thursday.
Over how much?
Over 100 horsepower.
Really?
Absolutely. I'll buy you a beer.
How do you figure that? What are you going to do to it?
Did 90 before. You see it sputtering and jumping?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. What made it go down in power?
It's not. It's not set up for that pipe and that.
Oh, you didn't have
air
the
cleaner.
flash yet?
That's a new air cleaner. No, there's nothing on it.
Huh?
So there's nothing on it. It just that was the old map.
Ah,
It doesn't know what it's doing.
okay.